Today, take a look at the SK 11-piece half-inch standard depth metric socket set. So this is the style of rail where you can actually spin that drive on there, which means that if you want these things to line up perfect, exact, the way that you want it, you can actually do that with this rail. Really like that style. So we got 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. We have no skips from a 10 to a 20. They're also all labeled with this green line on the bottom, so you know exactly what set this belongs to. And they did actually cut the neck down on these things, so you can fit even the smaller sizes in tight areas. We can see that the corners are all drilled out for off-corner loading, so that's going to be good to make sure you're not going to be rounding off fasteners, and they're all full chrome, so they're going to be nice and easy to clean off. These are also all 6-point, which is very important for a half-inch drive because that is the only style that I want to use. So they are kind of like a mid-length, so they're not super shallow. They're definitely not deep. So this is going to be good for giving you the clearance that you need for tight areas, but also being able to give you a little bit more clearance for your hands in those tight areas. So very nice size for that. You can also see that that hex is cut about almost all the way down. It's going to be really good if you need a lot of surface area bite on long bolts and nuts. There we go. Cool. That is a lot more secure now. So yeah, this is a fantastic set of sockets.